In this video, I will let you know how you can verify redbubble keywords on Google Keyword Planner. So let's start the video now. To verify keywords on Google Keyword Planner, we first need some keywords for our redbubble design. For that, I have given a prompt to ChatGPT to give me 10 short, catchy, and popular phrases regarding coffee. You can see that ChatGPT has given me 10 phrases on which we can create our redbubble design. Before verifying the keywords on Google Keyword Planner, we first need to verify the keywords on a redbubble platform. I have made a search for the keyword espresso yourself, and you can see that there are only 851 results for this keyword. So this keyword has a lot of potential for your designs. Now we have to verify this keyword on Google Keyword Planner in order to know the traffic which is there for this keyword. To open the Google Keyword Planner, you first have to search on Google Keyword Planner, and then you have to click on this first link. The link will bring you to this page on which you can find and discover new keywords. Here we have to click on Discover New Keywords. This will open this pop-up. Now you have to write your keyword in the search bar here. After typing your keyword in the search bar, you have to click on Get Results. Now you can see that there are 1000 to 10,000 average monthly searches for this keyword. So this proves that this is a good keyword which have a high selling potential also and also have high traffic. Now you can use this keyword for your design.